Greetings everybody, we're back again. This is Mzansi Football. Yeah, I'm here with
You're here with Lefale Dwawa.
Lefale Dwawa.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't touch you, man.
Kumnandi na.
Manad. Smile sa how, man.
Ke smile ke TV dikeledi.
What?
TV dikeledi.
Sure. Yeah, bro, so to die befanda Orlando Pirates 2 Kaizer Chiefs 1. We won a game.
Hey, the game was fine. Bafana bayithomile pila Lollipop Stoke City esemnandi.
Yeah, Stoke City esemnandi. Let's make a plan Lollipop.
Relebela goal yela, but even though bone bafana ka re ba too relaxed the first goal. When second half it was flopping.
Sure.
Was flopping. Yeah.
So like first half you were able to lead. What happened or like let's manage a game, let's stick to this one goal or at least or a game because Rabon or goal number 2 year ball.
Yeah.
So where did things go wrong?
Dilo di flopile mo like ngwana mdala Prince Voma.
Ngwana mdala phela le fetsa.
Ngwana mdala are disappoint man. Ngwana mdala are disappoint to the point hore defense kore reform mo palong.
Sure.
Ngwana mdala di bolo di phunyela. What's happening ngwana mdala? What's wrong? Talk to us.
Yeah.
No.
Re lokise bothata bo a bolele.
Ngwana mdala a bolele. Talk to us.
Yeah.
Or bothata ba eng re tla mo thusa. Ba bona re tshante re tsene rena personally.
Sure.
Ka ra ona ntse re sa ba fenyona. Support we are there.
Yeah.
We always do a sold out game.
Sure.
We don't know what's wrong.
Aiwa. Sure.
Yeah.
So Bradley Cross.
Mulongo
Mulungu
o tsena botlhoko man. Wa re Costa and we don't want those mistakes to go final.
Sure.
So Costa big time na re ka ba 9 go final ro khawathe big time. Maluk said the sliding tackles are high man.
Sure.
Ka re dintsha di injury.
So ho lebeletse Pirates changes the game from 1-0 down to 2-0 up. We wanna be when or like pila ho lebeletse when according to game plan.
Okay.
Or Jose Riveiro we change abang or the player we won be.
Ricky Sky Arabe is a Chiefs fan.
Sure.
Yeah. I'll answer.
Arabe is a tactician.
Yeah. Hey, bona basebenzile abafana.
Yeah.
Abasebenzile abafana. Cocomelon.
Yeah. Cocomelon.
Cocomelon waspana.
Sure.
Vaspana bafana ba. Ke bona le game plan ya bona cha ba tla ka game plan ela ya Pyramids.
Sure.
I love their ball game. I love their trap and pass.
Sure.
Ball I do more than 2 minutes more to just
sure.
trap and pass we securing the goals. Yes.
Okay, Brewer.
Yeah.
You lost today's Kaizer Chiefs. You're having I think 7 games in a row without a win, more leaking.
Yeah.
And then the only hope is Nedbank Cup. You lost today against Orlando Pirates. Next week again we're going against Orlando Pirates. Nedbank Cup final. Only hope ke Nedbank Cup. We win byang. Re lukisa byang, re botsa byang di player. Ba fethu. Last week ba rena shino. Tshwanetse re change dilo.
Final lona re bua le yona.
Yeah.
Gomnyama kubovu. If you have to go to Zimbabwe so landa moti.
Yeah.
So tata.
Yeah.
If you have to go to KZN in Kazachi.
Yeah.
So tata.
Yeah.
If you have to go to Mozambique. so tata. If you don't win this final, I'll twerk. I'll twerk.
Pelolata 10 years drought, my brother.
It's nothing. If we lose this Nedbank Cup, go 353 B block. I'll twerk. I'll twerk. Come on, exact same spot. Bring a speaker and choose any song.
Sure.
I'll twerk. I'll twerk. If we lose, yes.
Any message to the players or Bafeto? Nedbank Cup Bafeto, right neither. Naturena right talk about.
Bona the message I'm going to bona gore man just win chance.
Yeah.
Re tshepile lena you are our last hope out of the 10 years.
Yeah.
Nana 10 years re sa bolai ke tlalekana la re bolaisa man a pekele tswai le pele ke tswai se le tswai le file
khala ba sa utlwi man
khala sa utlwi man ke ba re ke ka haru tlo re official ya bona ke ba tsepa they always kill us with happiness.
Sure.
Yeah bona re tsobe tha Sundowns phela mo it is not a secret. Re tle Sundowns Pirates is nothing. So Bafita I know it's all in the hands of Coach Nabi, the best team in Africa. The best team in Africa is Kaizer Chiefs. Nothing else without Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you.
Sure. Bro, Karata Spirit sa, wait.
Kaofela.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. This is Msati Football. Danko.